Hey guys, it's Jasmine Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be doing a wash and go using the TGIN Rose Water styling products. And I previously posted a video using these same products and I styled my hair in a braid out. So if you have not seen that video, go ahead and check that out as well. So once I section off my hair, I'm going to go ahead and use my spray bottle to make sure that my hair is damp and ready to apply the hair products. And after I spray my hair, I'm going to go in with my wide tooth comb to detangle. And after I detangle, I'm going to go ahead and apply my Rose Water Smoothing Leave-In Conditioner. And this leave-in conditioner is a lightweight moisturizing leave-in for soft, smooth, frizz-free hair. And I really love this leave-in conditioner. It feels really good going in my hair. It has a lot of slip and it really makes my hair feel moisturized. And as you can see, I'm going in with my detangling brush to smooth out the product evenly. And then I'm going in with the Rose Water Curl Defining Styling Gel. And this styling gel reduces frizz, increases volume, defines curls, kinks, and waves. And I did notice that these products together were creating a residue. And when I move up closer, you might be able to see the white dots in my hair. And that's like residue because I believe I used too much leave-in conditioner, because as I'm reading the bottle now for the hair gel, you're supposed to apply a small amount of the leave-in before the gel, so that's probably why there is a residue. But I just feel like I'm so heavy-handed, so it's hard for me to apply a small amount of leave-in, especially when I want my hair to be moisturized. But I'm just going to continue to style my hair. Alright guys, so I'm all finished and my hair is looking pretty moisturized and defined. So I'm going to see you guys tomorrow to show you the final results. Alright guys, so this is the next day after blow drying my hair. And I like how fluffy my hair is, and I do like the curl definition. I did have some white flakes in my hair, so that's the only downside, but just don't use as much leave-in as I did. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!